Hello YouTube. I am going to show you how to tie a tie. It's very simple. Now, I like to keep the tie about double the length of the tail. So we're going to take the longer tie and simply we just take it over. And then we take the tail, tuck it through. Find the loop here, so by the time you wrap it over, you're going to basically wrap it over twice. And you're going to tuck the tail in between there. Tuck the actual tie, excuse me, not the tail, the actual tie. You're going to pull it through. She puts a tie under there. You know, my tie has one of those under there, so I'm gonna go ahead and tuck it. Tuck my tail on the inside of there. Man, that light bright. And essentially, what you have here, you have your tie perfectly positioned. It's one of the most simple ties that you can do. Easy, quick, did it less than, what, 30 seconds. And there you go. You got a nice looking tie, looking business professional. Pants on your waist. Nice slacks, nice shirt. You ready for any interview, church, date. Thank y'all for watching.